Don't just move your legs when you're doing the step over. A lot of players like to think that if they can do a step over with their legs at high speed, then they're going to be able to get out of a tight space scenario or take on a defender. However, when you just move your legs during the step over, it's very easy to read what your next move is going to be. Step overs are associated with a change of direction, so you need to incorporate a body feint into it to make sure that you sell the move. So this demonstration that you can see now, you can see that I am dribbling towards the cone, who is supposed to be the player. I plant my left foot. I also make it look like my body is going towards the right side. End up doing the step over, and then after the step over, I take a wide right foot strike. This allows me to have more space to change direction with my left foot as I'm about to tap it out to the left side. Now, this wide strike is really, really important. If your toes can fake where you're going to go, so in this case, the right side, it's gonna sell the move even more. From there, you're able to take your left foot touch out to the left side. When you do the body feint and land on your right foot, in this case, in that demonstration, you have to make sure that that whole entire sequence is short. But you need a big movement as well, because the bigger the movement, the more you're going to engage the player. The player is gonna think that you're gonna go out onto that right side, but in fact, you're taking it out to your left side. So just keep that in mind when you do your step over next.